Do you think the newly reopened amusement park, inside one of Shiraz's most nostalgic parks, is actually worth visiting? Today, I'm taking you inside the newly reopened amusement park at Azadi Park to show you exactly what it's like. No hype, no exaggeration, just the reality. It is finally reopened after a long time, but what you'll see inside might be very different from what you're expecting. This isn't a huge or luxury amusement park, and many of the rides and attractions are still quite simple. Even so, people from all walks of life come here to relax, have fun, and spend time with their families. So stay with me until the end of the video as we explore the new Azadi Park amusement park together and find out whether it's really worth a visit. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on Walking Tour Hani. Today we're visiting the amusement park inside Azadi Park in Shiraz, one of the city's oldest and most nostalgic parks. Almost everyone who grew up in Shiraz has some kind of memory of this place. Located near the city center in a middle-class neighborhood, Azadi Park attracts people from all walks of life, from families with children to young people, seniors, and anyone who simply wants to enjoy a relaxing walk. The amusement park has recently reopened, so I decided to come here and show you what it's really like, so you can judge it for yourself. As always on this channel, my goal is to show places exactly as they are. No exaggeration and no unnecessary criticism. If you're expecting a huge, modern, luxury amusement park with cutting-edge rides, you probably shouldn't expect that just yet. The amusement park is still fairly simple and definitely has room for improvement. Hopefully, more attractions will be added over time, and the overall experience will continue to improve, because Azadi Park truly deserves a better and more complete amusement park. By the way, if you'd also like to see the park itself, don't miss my previous video. In that video, I walked through almost every part of Azadi Park, including its beautiful green spaces, lake, and walking paths, so you can get a much better look at the park as a whole. I also have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy these walking tour videos, please subscribe to Walking Tour Hani. The channel is getting very close to reaching YouTube's monetization requirements, and your support would really help me continue creating more high-quality videos for you. One more thing. I should mention that, because of the current internet situation in Iran and the slow upload speeds, I'm temporarily making shorter videos, so I can upload them more easily, and you can watch them without waiting too long. But if you'd like to see longer walking tours, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to make future videos longer. And finally, if you're from Shiraz, or if you've ever visited the city and have any memories of Azadi Park or Shiraz itself, I'd love to hear your stories. Please share them in the comments below. I really enjoy reading your experiences and chatting with you. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's go explore the newly reopened amusement park at Azadi Park in Shiraz and see what it's really like. I hope you enjoy the video.